Iano ko sila dito, iano ko ang guide ko.
Yeah. In the lake, side in the lake here only. Walking distance.
Good. May kayo, binibidyoan.
Hello. Sleeping.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Ito pare, tatlo pa sa kanya.
Hi.
Whoa. Hi. How's the ride?
Great.
Yeah.
You can even walk actually.
Yeah. Go to the lake, to the crater.
Extra from TV.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Hello. Are you okay?
Hello. Okay.
Sorry.
No. Aray, yan galing yung nalakad.
Di sa pasayro ko rin, naglakad-lakad.
People at work have told me how beautiful Taal was, and I had to experience myself. This is actually my second time up on the mountain, and I loved it the first time, so I just wanted to come back because of the beauty of it. It's an experience of a lifetime. I mean, riding a horse up to the top of a volcano and seeing the boiling water and the steam coming out, it's just amazing.
We hiked. We actually hiked. We didn't take the horses, so that was an experience. I wasn't quite sure what we were getting into, and it's a good hike. I enjoyed myself. It's a lot of work, but it was fun. I'm a firefighter for California Department of Forestry.
What?
Yeah.